Bueno, pues aquí vamos a hacer talacha porque se nos transmina un poco el agua cuando llueve. Entonces, ¿qué voy a hacer? Ya me subí a limpiar el techo, a bajar todo lo que estaba arriba, ¿verdad? ¿Y qué voy a hacer? Voy a empezar a limpiarlo para que el próximo domingo, le voy a poner una capa de cemento con pegazulejo y lleva resistol también. Cuando ya lo vaya a hacer, amigos, yo les voy a avisar, les voy a mandar un video para que ustedes lo vean. Por lo tanto, ahorita me subí a limpiar, nada más limpié un pedacito, ¿verdad? Porque está haciendo mucho calor, pero necesito una herramienta especial para eso, el cual no la tengo, pero la voy a comprar el sábado que viene o el viernes, primeramente Dios, ¿ok? Ok, amigos, cuídense mucho, échenle ganas, acuérdense que sí se puede, ¿ok? Échenle ganas a todo lo que hagan, ¿ok? No es necesario que seamos albañiles para poder hacer talache en nuestras casas, nosotros lo podemos hacer, ¿ok? Cuídense mucho, amigos, y que Dios los bendiga.
being with you, being with you. 'Cause everyone is so loud, I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need. I'll give anything, anything to be free. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need, and I'll be out of your way. Give us a sense of direction. Give us a chance to be introspective. 'Cause I need to keep on going. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. 'Cause we need to keep on going. 'Cause we need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers. that the very things I believe in are all here when I wake, and they wait for me when I am gone. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. For this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. It's always raining, every day feels the same now. I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be. But this place and these folks always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. Are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the time I need today. I don't care about yesterday. This old heart of mine kinda broke itself. The photos in a frame telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Yeah, this old heart of mine finally broke itself.
Sunsets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The season